I'm a business owner, and so if I'm down, where I'm not feeling well, I'm not functioning at my 100% ability, it affects my business. And so I feel that going to a chiropractor, I come every other week, really helps me to stay at the top of my game for not just my sake, but my customer's sake.
I really was convinced that he was going to be able to help us. I liked his philosophy of not just treating the symptom or the pain as it occurred, but getting in and doing a consistent weekly visit.
I've had a lot of back pain, especially lower back, and having a hard time with my hamstrings. It's just really solid tight down there. I can feel my body better, like I can move around a lot better. Say I drop my key on the floor, I can actually bend down and do it and not worry about hurting anything. And that wasn't, the case before.
Chiropractic care has really made us feel a lot better. I noticed that I sleep a lot better. I am not taking ibuprofen or Tylenol 3 to 4 times a week anymore. Headaches, I hardly ever have a headache any longer.
She's nicer to me, I like that.
I am nicer. You feel good, you're nicer.